Hi friends, welcome to Laxmice 31. I am Sai Lakshmi, hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a set in Tableau and how it can be used. Let's get started. Sets are custom fields used to hold the subset of data based on a given condition. In real time, you can create a set by selecting members from the list or a visualization. You can also do the same by writing custom conditions or selecting top or bottom few records in a measure. Let me open Tableau public application and show you how to create a set. I have opened the Tableau public application and I have created a simple bar chart for this video, and I have taken a city dimension and sales measure to create a bar chart. Now we are going to create a set. I have taken sample superstore data which is available online for the video purpose or for the demonstration. Now let's create a set manually. We have two ways of creating a set. One is a manual way of creating a set, other one is a dynamic way of creating a set based on a condition. First of all, we have a bar chart over here and we can see the first 5 bars are large. So now I want to create a set based on these 5 bars. So what I am going to do is I am holding control and selecting the first 5 bars. As soon as I hold the control and select the 5 bars, I can see a pop-up over here which is nothing but a tooltip to create set, and it has options like keep only, exclude, grouping option and set option. So now I am selecting create set option and I can click on create set, and you will be able to provide a name over here. I'm keeping it city set alone and I'm clicking on OK. A set has been created, and set is always denoted with this specific symbol of join. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this set to the sheet and dropping it in the color mark. So as soon as I bring this set, you'll be able to see some difference, right? These 5 bars which I have grouped or created a set on top of this has been denoted with blue color, and the remaining other bars are denoted with red color. That means the cities which are inside this group are denoted with a color, I mean the blue color, and which are outside this group are denoted with red color. You will be able to change the colors once you click on edit colors. For now I am keeping it as is. And the other way of creating a set is dynamic set. I'm going to edit this set, or let me create a new set. I'm selecting city and right clicking on it. There's a menu called create menu. Under create menu there's an option called set. I'm clicking that. There's a condition over here, condition tab. So on the condition tab, when you select on that, you'll be able to provide some condition or calculation. You can use any of them. If you want to provide formula, you will be able to do that, or if you want to select by field, you can do that. For now I'm selecting by field. Here we have, for example, we have all the sales over here. Now I want to get the sales which are greater than 50,000. I mean the cities which have the sales greater than 50,000. I want to see only those cities which has the sales record of greater than 50,000. So I am entering 50,000 and selecting the operator greater than symbol. So you have multiple symbols over here, equal to, greater than, or equal to, or many other options. Now I am selecting greater than 50,000 and I am clicking on OK. So what I am going to do is city set to, I am bringing it to filter. Now I have the sales greater than 50,000. Only the cities which has greater than 50,000 sales I am able to see only those cities which has the sales greater than 50,000. So this is what a set can be used, I mean the dynamic conditions. And this other option, let me edit the set again. Other option is nothing but top 10 cities. If you want to see top 10 cities or bottom 10 cities, you will be able to do that by selecting this option, by field top 10. If you want to see the cities which has top 10 sales, I mean top cities which have top sales which have the top cities which has the top 10 sales. So I'm clicking on OK. Now we are able to see that top 10 cities. Let me remove it again and show you the change based on that. Top 10 cities. Sometimes you may not be see the exact 10 cities because 50,000 condition is already there, right? Greater than 50,000. Let me duplicate this sheet and then we can apply with a new set. Sorry. I'm removing this set and another set as well. Now I am right clicking on city and creating a new set by selecting top 10 sum of sales. City set 3. I'm bringing it to color, and city set 3 I'm filtering it out. So we have top 10 cities which has top 10 sales. And let me edit the same and show you what else we can do in the top tab. We can select bottom 10 sales as well. For example, a businessman will be keen to know which cities are doing best sales and which cities has the least sales, right? So now I'm going to select bottom 10 sales and see the difference. Now we have bottom 10 sales. This is how a set can be used and it can be created. And we can even use the sets in calculated fields also. I will explain using the calculated fields, using the sets in calculated fields in my next video. This is it. This is how you can create sets and you can use it in your sheets. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.